Hello people, good morning, good afternoon or good evening depending on which part of the world you're watching me from. I am actually in Nigeria, so you guess where I am at the moment. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the still image to animation using AI. It's going to be awesome. So set up your system and get ready to follow along so that at the end of the day you'll be able to show the results that we'll be showing you. So if today is the first time of you watching us, please subscribe, like, comment, turn on the notifications so that anytime I upload a content, you'll be the very first to be notified. Now if you are ready, let's get started.
So guys, head over to clipdrop.com. This is the landing page. This is how it looks. You can see their homepage. So on here you have the tools. There are a whole lot of tools that you can use to do a whole lot of things, from cleanups to image upscaler to relight to removing background and replacing them, and even to reimagine an image. But we are going to use stable diffusion right here. So you click on it and it takes you right to this place. So what will happen is that we input a prompt here and then generate. We can actually use this place to add more settings to it. So without any further ado, let's start. I will just type in a prompt real quick. Once I am done, we continue from there. So I'm trying to type a happy monkey on the forest floor. Then I will just add another prompt after a comma, Disney style. Okay, so once that is achieved, once you're happy with the prompt that you've imputed, just click on this button to add more settings to it. First off is on no style, and you want to choose a style. In this case, I'm going for photographic. So the aspect ratio, I will leave it at widescreen, 16:9. Then the negative prompt, I want the background to be blurred, so I'll just type in blur here. This is the negative prompt. And once I'm happy with all the settings, I will just click on generate. So what happens is that it will generate the image according to the prompt you imputed. This is the first image, this is the second image, and of course this is the third one and the last one. I think we're going to work with this particular image. So what we do is download it by clicking the download button, and within seconds. So head over to Runway ML once you're done downloading that, and then click on text to video. So right here at this page, you select image and then upload a file. So once I click on upload a file, it will take me to my computer and I'll select the file and then click open. So in a few seconds it will upload. So this is the image that we just generated on the other platform. So click on generate here. We are trying to convert this image to animation. Now this is actually how it looks. So if you scroll down and play, you see that the image, the still image, is now animated. Is animated, beautifully done, easy, like easy peasy. So once you are done with that, you notice that it's very short. It's just 4 seconds. So how we find a way to increase the length of play time. So what you do is drag the play button to the end of the clip, drag it to the end of the clip, and then leave it at image still, but delete the first image that was uploaded. Then again upload another one, the same image, because you want the same video to play but on extended time. So within seconds again, you can see the image has been uploaded. So click on generate again. So what happens is that it's going to generate the same video again. You can see we have two now. We have two of the same image that has been generated, now videos. So uncheck that. So what you do is to download the images individually. So I'll download the first one, and then again I'll download the second image like so. So once you drag it to your editor, this is how it plays. Notice that when you play, the quality drops. The more you get, the more copies you have, the more quality you drop. So this, guys, this is how you animate image with AI. Thank you for watching today's video. Looking forward to seeing you in the next.